Good morning, Middle School South. Today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021. I'm Mr. Bond, and thanks for joining us for the Rural Report. Taking a look at our cultural calendar today. Today is International United Nations World Water Day, a day that celebrates water and all that it does for us on a daily basis. But it also raises awareness to the more than 2.2 billion human beings living on Earth without access to clean water. So the UN World Water Day is a day of there's a lot of donations. There's a lot of organizations that work to provide water and things like that. And it's a massive day for all of humankind. Same announcement from last week. Just want to reiterate, 8th grade ladies, if you're in person or distance learner, it applies to both of you. The S Club at the high school is going to be presenting to their spring 8th grade ladies workshop on April 6th after spring break. So it's Tuesday, April 6th. It's going to happen in study hall. We're going to reach out to you guys and let you know where you're going to be, whether it's the library, auxiliary gym, where that's going to be. We'll talk to you about that more closely, but a Google form should have gone out. If you guys have any questions about high school, you'll go ahead and fill that out. And the S Club, when they come in to present, will do their best job of answering as many of those questions as they can. They're definitely looking forward to meeting you guys you ladies, and welcoming you to Lincoln High School. Today we have a lot of birthdays to shout out. Over the weekend we had a few. So over the weekend, happy birthday to Kennedy Hoke, Sutton Donahue, Carlos Garcia, Halima Wood, and Grady and Callie Thatcher. Today we've got two people celebrating their birthday. Happy birthday to Gabby Donaldson and Alice Garoon. Sharing a birthday with those two birthdays today on the 22nd of March throughout history. In 1622, 347 colonists are killed and the Powhatan War begins as the Powhatan Native Americans launch an attack on the British colony of Jamestown. In 1934, the Augusta National Golf Club hosts its first ever Masters tournament in Georgia. And in 1894, the Montreal Amateur Athletic Association wins hockey's first ever Stanley Cup. So there you go. Taking a look at some words of wisdom, they're going to come at us from Qianxiang Wu, who was a physicist in China. She was born in Liuhou, China in 1912, and Qianxiang Wu was recruited to Columbia University as part of the Manhattan Project. She worked as a senior scientist on the atom bomb in 1943, and she conducted a lot of research on detection of radiation and uranium enrichment. In the mid-50s, Wu was approached by two theoretical physicists by the name of Sung-Dao Lee and Chen-Ning Yang, and they went on to work together to disprove the law of conservation of parity. Using chemical isotope cobalt-60, Wu showed that the laws of nature were not always symmetrical, which disproved a law that had been accepted for more than 30 years. However, despite Wu's key foundational contribution in that finding, only Yang and Li were able to receive the Nobel Prize, or I guess were presented with the Nobel Prize in 1957. So to quote Xianxiang Wu, she said once, "It is shameful that there are so few women in science. In Chinese society, a woman is valued for what she is, and men encourage her to those accomplishments." So, ladies, if you're interested in science, follow in her footsteps and fill the field. So, all that being said, guys, happy Monday. Hopefully, you make today a good day and a good week. We got 1 week left until spring break. Really hunker down. Focus up. We got 5 days. We can do it. Give it everything you got. If you got any questions, let us know. All right, guys, take care.